guys, I'm here with Zero because Zero made me a very special present. Yes, you made me a mask. It's a great mask. See, I like your mask. I do like your mask, but there's a problem with your mask. I'll tell you what it is. Here, I really like your mask. Let me show you what they did. So here's what Zero did. So he made this mask out of a yogurt container. Look, see, it has the holes in the right place for the eyes and eyebrows, and he decorated it. That was very good of you to use recycled materials. Yes, it was very good. See, like this? It's very nice, it's a great mask. What? No, I can't wear it to the grocery store. It's the wrong kind of mask. Well, it's the wrong kind of mask because it doesn't cover my mouth and my nose. Yeah. Well, don't be sad. I know you were trying to help. What? Yes, you were trying to help. He was trying to help. He was going to make me a mask like this. And it's a funny mask. I like wearing it. It's very funny. I look funny in the mirror. And I can wear it around my house. And I like how you used markers. And you could even glue things on a mask like this. You could make a mask out of cardboard too. Yeah. And you could wear it around the house and do silly things. But it doesn't cover my mouth and my nose. Well, yeah, I know. Well, see, he doesn't understand that. See, when you sneeze or you cough, or even when you burp, I don't know, or when you're talking to your friend, sometimes his spittle comes out. You know, like when you say, Polly's precious princess went to a perfect princess party. Sorry. Yeah, see, you tend to spittle. And you know what's in your spittle? Germs. That's right. Germs. And you don't want your friends to get sick. And this is a very important time to not let our friends get sick. So we have to make a mask that covers our nose and our mouth, not our eyes. So this is a great mask for like Halloween or costume day or dressing up, but it doesn't cover my mouth and my nose. So I can't wear this one to the grocery store, but I do like it. I do like it. It's a very nice present. It's a very nice present. I don't want him to be sad that he made me a present. Maybe you could work on a mask that would cover my mouth and my nose. But I still have to be able to breathe through it. So maybe like fabric, like the fabric that's in your cape. I have to be able to breathe through it, see. Yeah. Or maybe t-shirt fabric. Breathe through your t-shirt fabric. Yeah, it has to be thin and it has to be tight because it has to go around your face and keep your mouth and your nose covered, not your eyes. You have to be able to see when we're walking around and stuff. Is that okay? All right, so you work on that. That's your science experiment. Science experiment today is to go work on some masks that will cover my mouth and my mouth and my nose. My nose and my mouth and my nose. Okay, can you do that? All right. Speaking of science, I'm going to read a nonfiction book today. So Zero, you just sit over there, and I'm going to read my nonfiction book. And here it is, about butterflies. Mariposa! Yes, mariposas. Cindy said mariposas, yes. Monarch butterfly. It's a nonfiction book. It's real facts. Yeah, and this one is by David Schwartz with photographs by Dwight Kuhn. Yeah, what are photographs? Pictures that you take with a camera, right? You can illustrate a book with pictures, with photographs. Orange and black wings flutter over a field on a sunny summer day. They're the bright wings of a monarch butterfly. The monarch flies from flower to flower. It stops to rest for just a moment, and then it's off again. Look, that's a real butterfly. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful photography. Photography. When you take a photograph of something. The butterfly has laid an egg on a milkweed plant. The egg is about the size of a pencil point. It sparkles in the sunlight like a tiny jewel. This is the first stage in the life of a new monarch butterfly. Look at that little egg. Do you know how tiny that is? That is smaller than a pencil point on the end of your pencil. That's really little. A few days later, the egg looks darker. The head of a caterpillar is pushing through the thin shell. The caterpillar is also called a larva. It will crawl out of the egg and onto the plant. Look, there it is, getting dark. And it pops open just like a chicken's egg with a baby chicken inside, except it's a larva inside. The little caterpillar begins eating the moment it hatches. The first thing it eats is the eggshell. Yes, the caterpillar eats his own eggshell. That's it. After that, it eats only one thing: milkweed leaves. Look how pretty he is. Look, yellow and black and white. Look how plump he is. So if you see a big caterpillar that color, you'll know it's a monarch caterpillar. Don't squash it. They're beautiful. The caterpillar eats and grows until it can no longer fit inside his tight skin. It must molt, or shed its skin. It leaves its old skin behind and crawls away in a new, looser skin. The caterpillar will molt 4 or 5 times in about 2 weeks. That's it? 2 weeks? That's it. And if you order one of those monarch butterfly kits through the mail, it only takes 2 weeks to grow him. Yeah. So he's going to eat and eat and eat and eat and eat and eat and eat, just like Eric Carle's caterpillar. Yeah, the very hungry caterpillar. But what does he eat? Milkweed leaves. That's it. He doesn't eat anything else, just that. Then something amazing happens. The caterpillar stops crawling. It even stops eating. Instead, it hangs upside down from his hind legs. Its skin splits and slides up, and underneath is a hard case. The caterpillar is beginning its next life stage. It is now called a chrysalis, or a pupa. P-U-P-A. Pupa. Look what's happening to his skin. You see it? See, that's the first picture. And then it starts to get milky and white, and just, it's going to go all the way up, the whole length of the caterpillar, until it's all the way up to his face. It's really cool, isn't it? Or his tail, I guess. Because it's going up, he's hanging upside down. At first, the chrysalis is pale green with little gold dots. Then the hard case slowly becomes clear, and inside you can see that the pupa's body has changed. It is turning into an adult butterfly. So look, first it's green. Look at little gold sparks, little specks on it. And pretty soon the whole thing will turn gold, and then it will get clear, and you can see his leaves inside there. His wings, not his leaves. I guess they're leaf-shaped. There's his wings folded up inside. Do you like to roll up inside of a little cocoon in your blanket, pretend that you're a caterpillar? Yeah, you should try that. It's fun. The chrysalis splits and a monarch butterfly crawls out. Its wings are damp and crumpled. They straighten as they slowly fill with blood, and the butterfly sits quietly for a few hours as its wings dry and stiffen, and then it flies off. Look, so he pops right out of it like it looks like plastic, but it's not. That's his little natural shell. He popped out of the old chrysalis, and he's going to hang there and flap in the wind a little bit until his wings get dry, and then he can fly away. Yeah. Like all parents, this monarch visits milkweed flowers to feed on nectar. It has gone through all 4 stages of its life cycle: egg, larva, pupa, and adult, in about a month's time. These changes are called metamorphosis. It's a big word. Metamorphosis. Now, new female butterflies will lay their eggs on milkweed plants, and the monarch life cycle will continue. All right, it's going to start all over again. And now it's a grown-up. Look how pretty the monarch is. What colors are in that? Orange, black, white. It's fun to make paper butterflies. They're so pretty. And look at that. Can you put them in order? Oh, let's see. Which one would come first? Well, now that depends. If we say that the adult is first, then I guess that would be first. And then, what does the adult do? He or she, I guess she, lays an egg. So there's the egg. The egg gets a skin on it. There's the pupa? No. The egg becomes a caterpillar. Oh, that's it. The mother lays an egg. The egg becomes a caterpillar. The caterpillar becomes the pupa. The pupa becomes, or the chrysalis becomes a butterfly, and it pops out, and it starts all over again. So you could start anywhere. I guess it could kind of be in a circle. It'd be better if it was in a circle. Let's see. Oh, look, they did. They put it in a circle. So that's what it looks like all together in a circle. It says, here's the answer. So let's see. Egg goes to caterpillar. Caterpillar goes to pupa or larva. Pupa goes to butterfly. Then the butterfly lays a new egg. And it goes around and around and around and around. Mommy butterfly, baby butterfly. Grow up, grow up, grow up. Mommy butterfly, baby butterfly. Grow up, grow up, grow up. Do you know about any life cycles of other animals? Like people. What do people do? We start off as teenagers. No, we start off as babies. And then a baby becomes a little kid, a toddler. Yeah. And then the toddler becomes a bigger kid, a kindergarten. Yeah. And then a kindergartner becomes a big kid, elementary school. Yeah. And then a big kid becomes a teenager. Yeah. And then a teenager becomes a young adult. Yeah. And then the young adult becomes an older adult. And then an old adult becomes an old adult, like a grandma. Yeah, like a grandma or a grandpa. And then we pass away. And then new babies are born. Yeah. So if you can learn about life cycles of people and butterflies, you can learn about the life cycle of other things, like frogs and fish and elephants. Yeah. Go learn about some life cycles of other things that live out in the world. We've been talking about bugs a lot. Yeah, that would be fun. Well, Zero, you want to say goodbye to everybody? Bye, Zero. Have a good day. Are you going to make me a new mask? All right. Maybe you can make me a mask with a butterfly on it. Would you make me a butterfly mask? Yes? Now remember, it's got to cover my mouth and my nose. Got it? I can do it! Shh, no one was asking you, Cindy. Go back to sleep. She's so interrupted. Bye, guys. Have a good day. I'll see you later. Enjoy the rain. Find some worms.